Hey, how you guys doing today? Today we're gonna do a quick video. I'm gonna change this bulb right here. It just went out. Remember, every time you're gonna work with any electronics, to disconnect the battery. So all right, let's get it. It's really easy. This T10 bulbs and this tool kit. Can't remember how much it was in the Alright, just one more time, remember to disconnect the battery. I already have done that. You're gonna disconnect it from here. Just make sure it's the same one. In this case it is. This is the old one. This is the new one. And it's gonna put it back just like this. Put it back just like this. So we're gonna go back, plug it from here, like this. If it doesn't turn on, switch the size, and she come on. All right, now I just put the cap back on, clean it, put the cap back on. And just like that, you know, push it, and that's it.